To keep up with the high demands of large-scale potato chip manufacturing, every step from advanced harvesting to precise slicing and seasoning must work together seamlessly. In massive potato farming operations across the U.S., fields stretch far and wide to grow potatoes for commercial production. When the potatoes are ripe for picking, farmers rely on cutting-edge equipment like high-tech potato harvesters built for large-scale operations. These robust machines boost efficiency with their mechanical arms and digging systems, gently pulling potatoes from the ground while separating them from their vines. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to large storage facilities, where they're held in bulk before heading to the processing plant. Given the sheer volume of potatoes, a detailed sorting process kicks in. Automated systems, paired with human oversight, move the potatoes through the facility on high-speed conveyor belts, supported by advanced machinery. High-tech sorting machines, equipped with sensors and imaging tech, sort potatoes by size, shape, and quality. Even with all this technology, human workers are still key to spotting imperfections, given the huge quantities and subtle details involved. After sorting, the potatoes go through a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt, debris, and anything else picked up during harvesting and transport. Immersed in water or subjected to high-pressure sprays, the potatoes undergo thorough cleansing, preparing them for subsequent stages in the production line, including peeling. Specialized machinery efficiently removes the potato skins, after which the cleaned and prepped potatoes proceed to the slicing phase. High-speed slicing machines, critical for uniformity in large-scale production, churn through the massive volume of potatoes daily. Precision blades cut the potatoes into thin, even slices in a matter of seconds. The potato slices are blanched, briefly dipped in hot water or steam to partially cook them and lock in their structure. The sliced and dried potatoes are then fried in vegetable oil at high temperatures, with the frying duration carefully controlled to achieve the desired crispiness and golden color. In the final stages, the warm, freshly fried chips glide along conveyor belts to advanced seasoning stations. High-precision seasoning machines ensure every chip is packed with flavor, evenly coating them with salt, spices, or other seasonings, using rotating drums or specialized equipment designed for consistent distribution. At large-scale factories, automated packaging machines take over, precisely measuring and filling each bag or container with the right amount of seasoned chips. The packaging, made from layered materials, keeps the chips fresh and crispy while shielding them from moisture and other external factors. Sealing machines lock in the freshness, and the finished potato chip bags are ready for distribution. A well-coordinated logistics network, using trucks and other transport methods, delivers the chips to retailers, supermarkets, and various points of sale across the country. If you found this detailed insight into the production line intriguing, be sure to like and subscribe for more captivating content on harvesting and manufacturing processes. Stay tuned for additional enlightening videos on our channel. Thank you for watching.